So hello guys, how everything is going. So in this video I am going to show you how to access root without any PC or without any kind of recovery. It's just a single application which can access your device root, which can't void your device warranty and also can't brick your device. It's a simple and easy way to do that. Let's begin. First of all, let's show you my actual device is not rooted. As you can see, root access is not properly installed on this device. In this video we access root through a virtual Android. You need this application, which link in the description. Name of this application is X8 Sandbox. Tap on second link and download it. I am already downloaded it. Let me show this to you. This application total size is about 377 megabytes. Let's install it, and yeah, it takes some time, depend on your device. I am fast forward it to save some time. After installed, let's open it. And also it takes some time here and some minor permission. Now it's want PIP permission, so just tap on go to setting. And from here enable it. At the first time it will take approximately 5 to 6 minutes to open, and also it depends on your device speed. And again I am fast forward it. As you can see, it opened, and also it comes with Google Play service, exposed installer. I will talk about it later in the video. And here it is Superuser. Tap on Superuser app and give the remaining permission to this virtual Android. There's too much feature it will gives you. But we fairly focus on root, so swipe back and enable exposed framework. First of all, go to root manager section and check it is on, and default is on. And now enable exposed framework. At the bottom there's a lot of option which you can explore, but for this video we just focused only in root. After enabling exposed framework it will restart, tap on OK. After restart, go and check exposed installer is on, and yes, it's on. Now let's talk about it. It will import or export your app and file from your actual Android to this virtual Android. Let's check root access for this. At the bottom in app drawer, the app called add app, just open it, and it will show your all app in actual Android. So basically you can import your app from your actual Android to this virtual Android. So I am importing root checker app, and here it's. Now let's check root access in virtual Android. And as you can see, it successfully says root access is properly installed on this device. Now let's check our Superuser app to see root checker prompt. As you can see in Superuser it will allow to root checker. So that's all today's tutorial. Hope you guys learned something new. Thanks for watching.